Quick research summary. Fotor, Fotor.com, is an all-in-one online photo editor designed to be a simpler, low learning curve alternative to complex software like Photoshop. Its standout feature for this tutorial is the AI background remover, which automatically detects subjects and removes backgrounds in just 3 seconds. Fotor also features other powerful AI tools, including an AI photo enhancer, AI object remover, and generative AI capabilities like text-to-image and AI replace. Because we do not have external user reviews configured in our current dataset, this guide focuses strictly on the official features and hands-on functionality provided by Fotor's online platform. Want to remove a photo background instantly without struggling with complex software? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in just 3 seconds using Fotor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at Fotor.com, an incredibly easy-to-use online photo editor that brings professional-level AI tools right to your web browser. If you've ever tried to cut out an image manually in heavy software, you know how frustrating and time-consuming it can be. Fotor solves this with its dedicated AI background remover. All you have to do is upload your image, and the AI automatically detects the subject and strips away the background in seconds. Beyond just removing backgrounds, Fotor is packed with other handy AI features. You can use their AI object remover to erase photo bombers or unwanted text, improve blurry shots with the AI photo enhancer, or even use generative AI tools like AI replace to brush over an area and swap objects using simple text prompts. Now, since we don't have a massive database of external user reviews configured for our analysis today, we are looking directly at the tool's built-in capabilities. The biggest pro here is obvious. It is incredibly fast, runs entirely online without needing any heavy downloads, and has virtually zero learning curve. On the flip side, because it relies on automatic AI detection, highly complex images with messy hair or busy backgrounds might occasionally require a quick manual touch-up. To get started, simply head over to Fotor.com, click on the Remove Background tool, upload your photo, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Once it's finished, you can download your clean cutout or swap in a brand new background right there in the editor. It is honestly that simple. If you're looking for a quick, hassle-free way to clean up your graphics, give Foto a try. Let me know in the comments how the AI worked for your photos. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next video.